Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your email on GoCardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email on GoCardless, firstly go ahead and open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in GoCardless.com and make a search. The official page of GoCardless account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Login. Log into your GoCardless account using your login credentials and you'll end up on the home page of GoCardless account. Click on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen and tap on User Settings. On the next page, edit your email and tap on Save Changes. From the pop-up, enter your current password and click on Submit. This is how you can change your email on GoCardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.